Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is the last template number 45 of the Bridge course, class 7th, subject English. We were together for 45 days. Thank you for watching all these videos of standard 5th, 6th, 7th on my YouTube channel, Archana Smart Teaching. So students, if you really feel it is worthy and important, please like, share and subscribe. So let us start the 45th activity. The learning outcome of this activity is the students will be able to read silently with comprehension, read to seek information from notice boards, charts, tables and other graphic presentations. They will also be able to read in order to obtain information. Now, as usual, there are some instructions for teachers, parents and facilitators. We will read it out. So students, you will have to read the story grade 6th 4.5 page number 97 book review loudly, and also find out the meanings of new words from dictionary, and read a variety of books and soft copies of books to the students. This teacher will provide it. Okay, so let us start. So students, listen carefully. 4.5 A book review. George's secret to the universe. George's dad is an ardent environmentalist. In fact, both his parents are convinced that modern inventions of science and technology have caused a lot of damage on the earth. They are committed to the cause of saving the planet. They use a bicycle instead of a car. There is a ban on TV and computers in their house. They don't buy things like bread and biscuits. They eat only vegetarian and home cooked food. They even use candles to light the house to avoid using electricity. Poor George has to suffer a lot of jeering and ridicule from his friends because of all this. Actually, George doesn't think that either the TV or the computer is a bad thing. He has tried to tell his parents that it is possible to save the earth using the computer and the internet. But no, in their house there can't be any discussion on that issue. George always likes to know why, but who is to answer his questions? His parents think that he is still too young to understand global issues. One day, however, George unexpectedly acquires a new friend and a next door neighbor, Annie. Annie's father, Eric, is a brilliant scientist and ever willing to answer of all of George's questions. Eric has built a super intelligent computer named Cosmos. Cosmos has incredible powers. It can literally open windows on the universe and take you to any planet, star, comet, and even to a black hole. And of course, Cosmos can also bring you back home from there. However, Cosmos depends entirely on the information that is fed into by people like Eric who do the research and thinking that can make Cosmos work. Science can be used for a good cause, and a group of good scientists like Eric have vowed to use it for people's welfare. Unfortunately, there is one odd, angry scientist who wants to use science for his own selfish motives. He is planning to steal Cosmos and all of Eric's research so that he can establish his own rule on another planet. It so happens that only George can do something to overcome the wicked plans of the nasty scientist. If you want to know what adventures he undertakes and what strategies he has to use to stop the power hungry scientist, you have to read the novel George's Secret Key to the Universe. The author of this wonderful adventure is Lucy Hawking. The story of the novel is imaginary, but it also includes plenty of charts, photographs, boxes that give you hard facts about our solar system, galaxies, space, and whole universe. This information has been presented in a very simple, easy to understand manner by none other than Stephen Hawking, who is said said to be one of the greatest scientists of our times. His achievements are all the more astounding as he is a victim of many physical ailments. He has to use a wheelchair to move about and uses a computerized voice system in order to speak. The story of Stephen Hawking's triumph over his physical disabilities is itself an inspiring adventure. The book includes very attractive and expressive sketches drawn by Gary Parsons. It is true that excessive use of science and technology can give the rise to certain problems, but turning away from technology is not the solution. That is why the Hawkings have given an important message in his book. In this book, more research, more studies, and a commitment to use them not for selfish gains but for the welfare of the entire living world. So, students, this was the end of the book review. Okay, now while reading this book review, you have come across many difficult vocabularies. So, let us find the meanings of these difficult words in the dictionary. So students, you have to find these words in the dictionary, underline those words and find it in dictionary. In the learning activity, book review points: name of the book, name of the author, name of the publisher, characters and pieces, summary, and what are your opinions about the book. So these are all the points in a book review. Okay, now read the book A story from the book of your choice and prepare book review of it. Answer the following questions. Students, this is the front page of the book Cinderella. You know this character. You have seen this character in cartoons, movies, documentaries. It is a very famous character. You like it very much. It is a folk tale. Okay. So how will you write the book review? Now I am going to show you how it is written. So students, this is the review of the book Cinderella. I will show you how it is written. Title: Cinderella. Author: Charles Perrault. Illustrated by publisher Derrydale Books 1980. First publishing 1980. Title: Cinderella. Author: Charles Perrault. So publisher Random House 1974. So this is the review. Okay, now the content or the summary of the book Cinderella. A beautifully illustrated picture book that brings new life to the classic tale. Meet Cinderella, a young girl with a wicked stepmother, two cruel stepsisters, and a magical fairy godmother who is said to make her dreams come true. The simple text and vibrant illustrations will appeal to very young children at story time and to older children just beginning to read alone. So students, this is the summary and all the important details are given below. So in this way you can write the review of the book. Okay, did you understand? Now we are going to solve some of the questions. Now the questions. What is the story about? So we have read the review. So this is the story about Cinderella. Okay, story about a young girl, Cinderella. Now the next question. Who are the main characters? So we have seen in the summary the main characters are. So the characters are Cinderella, her stepmother, stepsisters, fairy godmother and prince. Now the next question. Did the main characters run into a problem? Yes, they have run into a problem. Who is your favorite character and why? So who is your favorite character in this story? So my favorite character is fairy godmother. Why? Why is she your favorite character? Because she helps Cinderella to overcome her difficulties. Did you like the book? Yes, we like the book very much. So in this way we have to write the review of the book and also answer the following questions. Now next activity. Students, one solved activity is given the story about Harry Potter, his friends and their courage and bravery. So this is also a very famous story by Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. So please read it. Practice, read any story of your choice and draw a picture based on it. Extension activity, read aloud your favorite story to your friends, siblings or parents. So students, this was the end of the activity. Did you like it? It was an interesting activity. So what did you learn from this activity? That you can talk about the book and can review a book. Thank you very much.